Hello, this is Kasra, and I will speak about the third part, the final part of installing AmpStack on your Mac machine. Right, as we discussed, we currently have our PHP and Apache running, as you can see here. Now, the third part is to install MySQL. So, you can go to MySQL website, then go to the products. Here you should find somewhere the community edition, and yes, you go to the download page, you install MySQL community server. Now I suggest you to download DMG archive. You have four options here. Hope it doesn't take too long. I also suggest you to install Workbench. MySQL Workbench. Here you only have one option for Mac, and I hope this doesn't take too long. In the meantime, I'd like to open a terminal and show you that we don't have MySQL installed. As you can see, the command is not found, and also if you check your preferences, there is no MySQL option in your system preferences. So once these files are downloaded, start with MySQL Server, and the installation is straightforward. It's just a simple wizard that you have to follow. I'm expecting this to be done in less than a minute. So if this wasn't clear, I can show you that I don't have MySQL installed already. My internet is a bit slow now. Yeah, we're almost there. Cool. So now start with the server, this DMG file. Just simply double click on the package, accept the terms and conditions, and install. The installation is easy and straightforward. Once you finish the installation, you are ready now to install the Workbench. Workbench gives a very good interface to see your installation directories, where the data is located, and a couple of other useful dashboard-like information. To drag this and put it in your applications directory. If you go to preferences, you'll see this new MySQL down there. If you click it, you'll see the setting. I currently have this instance installed and also active. So you can stop your server from here. You can change the option whether you like MySQL server to start when you start your machine, or you don't want this option, I'll start it again. Yeah, it's green and all running good. Now I start with MySQL Workbench. Accept this one. You see my default instance, my root instance in the corner here. So double click that. You'll be asked for your password. Then you're logged in. If you click server status, you'll see a bunch of useful information about the status of your server. This is the running port, this is the version, this is when the server has been started. You can find information about the base directory and where the data will be stored, and a bunch of other useful information. Here you can create a new database, new schema. You can create tables, add data to it, and manipulate your data as you wish. I hope this video has been informative to you. Please like and share with your friends, and have a good day or night. Take care, bye bye.